Hey guys, Rob here. So today is going to be a really quick video, and this is a hunting related video. I did go out earlier with my 25 caliber air rifle and I shot a squirrel, and we're gonna dress it up and everything, and this will be my first time ever skinning a squirrel or eating squirrel. So before I turn the camera around, there's a shot squirrel here that I'm going to show you guys, and there's a little bit of blood on its head, but nothing too gory. But this is what we're looking like here. So I took a headshot on him, preserved the rest of the meat, and this is my 25 caliber with a really nice thermal optic on there, and able to do the job. I was able to record it with the thermal optic as well, the shot. But yeah, I shot the squirrel probably about 30 minutes ago, so I want to hurry up and get going, skinning them up and quartering them up, get them on some ice. All right, so for this process here, I'm going to use my Leatherman, and it's got a razor sharp blade. So since I'm dealing with an animal here, I am wearing gloves. So I skinned it down a little bit that way. And I think that should be enough. All right, I'm gonna step on its tail and start pulling on it. Okay. All right, so it's all gutted out. There's a little bit of hair on it. I heard it's really hard to get the hair off, so I was trying to be careful of that, but like I said, you know, it's my first time, so I'll do what I can to get, you know, whatever hair is on there. It's not a lot, but definitely don't want to have that on the meat. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this thing on some ice and get it home. All right guys, we're gonna end the video here. If you guys like this style video, like hunting stuff, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up, and also too some feedback in the comment section. I always enjoy reading good positive stuff or just regular stuff. No negative stuff, you get blocked for that, but yeah, this was definitely fun, and that was a lot easier than I thought it was. So can't wait to try it. I'm gonna cook it up. I don't even know how, so if you guys want to drop a recipe or something, your favorite way to cook it, I'll be happy to read that. Until next time guys, I'll see you on the trail. Peace.